I have a long list of reasons of why you should be using those Callaways, whether you're buying or selling your home. They're amazing, trustworthy. They're going to be the perfect person that's going to get you into your dream home. And we have Kelly Callaway, who's going to tell us about another dream home.
Hi, Tiffany. This is a dream home.
It really is.
This is a luxury custom-built home, and it is on a 40,000 square foot lot.
Wow.
Beautiful curb appeal at 10454 East Corrine in Scottsdale.
Great area.
It's a wonderful area. Has views, starts with the curb appeal, but when you walk in the front door, there's a wall with a fountain on it. So there's always the sound of water. But everything in this house has been done so beautifully. From the custom kitchen and stainless steel appliances to my favorite is when you go in the back, there's this beautiful courtyard. It's got raised flower beds. It's got beautiful views. It
sounds amazing.
It is an absolutely amazing home.
And what does something like that go for price-wise?
This one's $1,099,000.
That is very reasonable for that size home and lot and that location.
And
That's
it is,
great.
and everything in this home again is luxury. It also has a completely prepaid solar system on the home.
Oh, that's nice.
So her utility costs are nothing. It's just a
another
fabulous
bonus.
home. Yes. It
Okay,
is.
well,
among many of them on this home.
Exactly. Well, people definitely need to check this out. So they need to give you a call. And if this isn't the home for them, I know you have the perfect one for them anyway.
Thank you.
Thank you.